Hey beauties, let's create this gorgeous ombre lip in just under a minute. We're gonna start with this brown lip liner, beautiful staple in my collection. All the details will be below. We're just gonna line the outer lip, then we're gonna put a little extra in the corners just to make it look like, Then we're gonna go on with this soft matte pink, and we're just gonna fill our whole lip in the inner. And we're going to just press our lips together so that it can blend. If you want to use a brush on this step, that is also an option. I'm just blending till we can get, to our liking. Now I'm going to go in with some gloss. Oh, baby, that gloss, that's what you need. That's going to give you the dimension and the shine. And just rub it, press my lips back on in again. And here we go, baby. This is the perfect ombre lip. Please make sure you like and follow. Thank you. See you in my next video.